today I thought we could do a back to school look, but for parents or like moms, because today I'm going back to school to meet my son's 6th grade teacher. Brand new school. I'm kind of nervous. It'll be good. It'll be fine. It's good. It's good. So I'm starting off with the, I don't know why I keep these little papers, but I do. The Pure BoxyCharm, and I'm going to start with this shade. And it's not, I'm not working solely out of this palette, but they have really pretty transition colors in here. So, and I am creasing up a storm. There. Oops. Whatever. And then for liner, like I wasn't going to do liner today, but I thought it would be really pretty to do like a brown liner look. I've never done brown liquid liner or brown gel liner is what I'm trying to say. I can't talk. It's just one of those days. It's like the Mondayest Tuesday of all. Okay. I think we are done in this palette. Next, I will be moving on to the BoxyCharm palette, this one right here. And I'm going to dip into Cocoa Taxi. Oh, dang. I barely put my brush in here. Like, I just like tapped it and whew, that's awesome. I kind of want this look to turn out kind of like we just got back from vacation. I'm still feeling tropical vibes even though I haven't been anywhere tropical. So whatever. That's the look we're going for. Or at least trying. We'll see how it turns out at the end though, because I always have this vision and then it just is not what I had in mind. And I'm having a really, really bad eyebrow day today. And I don't know why. It is what it is, you know? Today, usually they say, you know, your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, and usually mine are twins. They are absolutely twins. Today I feel like they're not even like cousins. They're friends is what they are. That's all. They're the friends that casually see you at the mall and wave hey and you move on with your life. And now I am going to dip into Tropico. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. And next we are dipping into Cafecito. And I probably butchered that. I didn't take Spanish. I took French. And I'm regretting that so bad. This eye always gives me trouble. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys have like a weird like side of your face, because I definitely do, and it's this side. See, like this side is smooth as butter. This side is like, I'm gonna wreck your life. And that's fine. I just need a bit more orange on this side. There. Now maybe a bit more yellow. There we go. Okay, now for the actual lid, I am going to be using this guy. I can't pronounce it. I'm not even gonna try. These are pigmented, like, for real. Okay, I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and I will be right back. Okie dokie. Now, let's do, what comes next? I feel like I haven't done makeup in forever. Oops, that's not it. Let's see. Now the under eye. And I'm going to do a little pop of color under there just because I feel like this is gonna get boring if there isn't something there. So I'm going to take a green eyeliner. This one is by EM, which is Michelle Phan, and I'm going to there's like, I mean there's a hint of color. Let's try my other one. This one is by Rimmel. Still not that much. Let me see if I have another one. Maybe my next one will be better. Let's hope. Alright, a little bit. Okay, now let's... Where did my brushes go? No, there you are. There you are. Sorry for the noise outside. I don't know what is going on out there. It looks like it's gonna rain. Who really knows? Okay, now I'm dipping back into this palette and I'm going in for Celia. And that is stunning. I think I'm going to smoke it out just a bit. Whew. I went a little wild. There, I really like this look. I really like this look. Okay, so now we are going to curl the lashes. Wait a second, before we do that, I don't know what I'm thinking. I have to do highlight and blush. So boom, boom. That is done. Okay, and now highlight. As per usual, this is Cover FX and Moonlight. I always want to call it Moonstone. What is it, Moonstone? I didn't contour my nose enough, I don't think. Now maybe I did it too much, I don't know. Now we are taking this and this color, Crushed Pearl. Now we can do mascara. Okay, and now eyebrow mascara, or whatever this is, eyebrow gel, because these little things never stay in place. And now lipstick, and I am using my tried and true favorite lip liner, which is Mauve, Mix Mauve. And then I will be using Ofra's Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Verona. You can see it. I don't even know if it focused, but ooh, this smells like chocolate. I'm not even a chocolate fan, and I love the smell of it. one side of my lip looks bigger than the other. It's okay, we'll fix it. Let me just get my concealer. Actually, I'll use the mixed concealer for this, which looks like this. Only because this is more my skin tone. There we go. I don't know why it does that. I always feel like coloring outside the lines is cool. Sorry about that. People are mowing our grass, I think, or blowing the grass around. Whatever is going on is annoying. I also forgot. Yes, there he is now. Sir, I'm trying to film. And he's like, I have a job too, lady. I kind of feel like, even though I'm not really like tan, I can like, it's really hard to do on this side. I don't know how you people do it. That's why they're gurus and I'm not yet. Someday. I don't think I'm okay. I'm not flashing anybody, I promise. But maybe I'll just do this. Yeah. Now I'm glowy everywhere because it just matches now, right? I mean, whatever. I'm not even gonna be wearing this shirt to meet my son's principal. Whatever. Let me do my hair and I will be right back. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me. This is the look. I did my hair. It's all curly and, you know, mermaidy, I guess. But this is the look. I hope that you guys like, and I hope that you will subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.